In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and fix Google Workspace MX records for your domain. If your business email isn't working correctly or messages are being delayed or rejected, one of the first things you should check is your MX records. MX records tell other mail servers where to deliver email for your domain. So if they're missing, broken, or set up incorrectly, your email service can run into problems very quickly. To begin, open the Toolbox Google Apps MX Check utility website in your browser. This tool is designed to help you quickly inspect the mail exchange records connected to your domain and compare them against the expected Google Workspace settings. It's a simple way to spot configuration issues without having to manually interpret all the DNS details yourself. Once the site has loaded, enter your custom domain name into the lookup field and run the test. Make sure you type only the domain itself. After you submit it, the tool will scan the current MX records and return the results. Give it a moment to complete the lookup, especially if your connection is slow or the DNS response takes a little longer than usual. When the results appear, review them carefully and look for any missing, broken, or misconfigured record parameters. The tool may highlight problems such as missing Google Mail servers, incorrect priority values, or records that point somewhere they shouldn't. This is the most important part of the process because it tells you exactly what needs attention before email can work reliably again. If you do find incorrect MX entries, the next step is to log into your domain manager and update those records there. This is usually the place where your DNS settings are controlled. Find the MX section for your domain and correct the entries based on what the test results revealed. Be careful while editing DNS records because even a small typo can affect mail delivery. After saving your changes, keep in mind that DNS updates may not take effect instantly, so some delay is normal. Finally, verify your subscription status in the Google Admin Console by checking the billing menu. Even if your MX records are perfect, email service may still